Continental is a tyre company that is driven by technology. It matters so much to the company, it is absolutely at their core in every way. Here's a video about why technology matters so much to Continental. Continental's seal technology is not something that you're supposed to really know all about or become, have a euphoric moment of awareness when you're driving a car. But what it does is it just works when it's meant to work. And here's what it does.
Continental seal technology is extremely clever, and it means the old-fashioned puncture is virtually a thing of the past. The key technology is contained within the tyre's core, on the underside of the tread, and it means that nails of up to about 5mm in diameter are self-sealed immediately. So even once you get a big nail in the tread, you can still drive to the nearest tyre fitter at perfectly normal speeds, get the nail removed, then drive home. No puncture fix required, no drama whatsoever. Are there any compromises with seal technology? Well, in a word, no. ContiSeal tyres behave and perform exactly the same as tyres without the technology. In short, Continental seal technology really does work a treat. It costs a little bit more money to specify, but is well worth it overall. It is another great piece of tyre tech development from Continental.
Cheers for watching. Remember to subscribe if you like this video, and see you next time.